Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where that red line annotation right there is coming from, but that's what's going to kick off here with the updates, and this update is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 17.5 was the level of resistance going into today, and the price broke above it, converting it into resistance and then, into support. And you can see later on in the afternoon, this area was definitely tested here, but to give the credit or bulls credit where credit's due, they did do a good job of ultimately holding strong there. But then the other area of support that I've talked about in past videos, for those of you that have seen the other updates I've done, is the purple line right here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. And as I pointed out before, absolutely beautiful job of bouncing off it there, and then you fast forward to today, and once again, after the price did break down through that green line, the secondary support right here is where the price did find some buyers and enough demand to push the price back upward. So overall, if I'm thinking that's too many lines, what line should I focus on? Assuming you care about the grand scheme of things, just watch that purple line. And as I've said in past videos, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, I'm going to go ahead and call that right up there at the 20.5 cent mark. I realize the price did technically go up and hit basically 21 cents, but the main price congestion was right here around 20.5 cents. So that'll be the key level of resistance going forward. But again, just to reiterate, taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, as long as the price can continue to do this, what is this? We'll build these higher bases, then the overall chart will continue to take care of itself as these stair steps are built in the upwards direction. So focus on those healthy consolidations, higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.